Prep Football Game of the Week is presented by Baldwin Bone and Joint, keeping you in the game. Sports medicine and expert orthopedic care to patients of all ages. Baldwin Bone and Joint.
Well, I think they came out and they played with energy. You know, they started fast. This is what we've been trying to get going all season, and really proud of our first half effort. I feel really good. I feel like right where we're at, and we're getting better every day. We're trying to get 1% better each day. That's all we can do.
Prep Football Game of the Week is presented by Baldwin Bone and Joint, keeping you in the game. Sports medicine and expert orthopedic care to patients of all ages. Baldwin Bone and Joint.
My name is Andy Harcourt. I'm a primary care sports medicine physician here at Baldwin Bone and Joint. Super excited that we've got football season rolling again. I'm the medical director team physician at South Alabama. Really enjoy being able to be on the sidelines there and helping out with coverage for those college athletes. Also really happy to support our high school athletes here in Baldwin County. Always enjoy getting to see those young men when they come to see me. But not just football, all sports. I enjoy being able to take care of the athlete when they're injured and get them back on the field as quickly as possible. Again, Andy Harcourt, Baldwin Bone and Joint, be happy to see you if we can help you out in any way.